Summer is here, and it's the perfect time for a road trip. But is your car ready for the adventure? Start by checking your tires. Worn treads or improper inflation can cause trouble. Use the quarter test or visit a AAA-approved auto repair facility to ensure your tires are road trip ready. Next, check under the hood. Corroded battery terminals can cause problems, so inspect them before your trip. Need help? AAA's car care centers and mobile battery service have you covered. Don't forget your air conditioning. A quick check at a AAA-approved auto repair facility ensures you stay cool when the temperatures rise. Summer storms can roll in without warning. Inspect your windshield wipers for cracks or wear to maintain clear visibility during rainy weather. Pack an emergency kit with tools, jumper cables, and roadside essentials. It's better to be safe than sorry. Save money on fuel with AAA's partnership with Shell's Fuel Rewards program, or use the AAA Fuel Price Finder to locate the lowest gas prices. Whether it's a cross-country adventure or a quick weekend getaway, AAA helps keep you safe and ready for the road. Download the AAA mobile app today and enjoy the peace of mind you deserve.